My name is Christine Mukuri. I'm from Burundi, taking Bachelor in Business Administration and Management at St. Paul's University. What motivated me to start business? It's because I've always been interested in how business operates and how the world is changing. I've gained practical skills like teamwork, communication skills, and also time management. St. Paul's is a good place to start a business because the courses are practical and also because they cover important skills like finance, marketing, and also management. For anybody looking for a place to study, you are all welcome at St. Paul's University. Those who are come from Burundi, you are all welcome. Jenga Career, St. Paul's University.